Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As it's been a minute of me doing videos for you guys. So as most of you guys know, I'm working inside a broker now, and it takes a lot of time for me. But as well, I just have to give you guys content on YouTube. So from now on, I'm going to be posting regularly. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you send the videos to your friends. And I'm just going to show you guys on this video the best way to analyze in less than 5 minutes. Because one thing I've realized is that the tool that I'm using is efficient only if you understand what you are doing. So I'm just going to be showing you guys with few pairs. So the best way to actually analyze. Okay, here's the chart. We're looking at the DXY. So the DXY, as you already know, it's what is the dollar index. So now if you can check, we are on the daily chart. And now you can see that, okay, the market, first thing you need to do when you open your chart, you check for market structure. On this one, I'm just going to take more time so that you can understand when I go to the other pairs. So now, as you can see, the market has been creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and all those nice things. But now, if you can check, after this high, lower high was broken, now the trend is changing from what we are seeing right now. So it means now we're no longer in a downtrend. Now we're starting a what? A uptrend, because our previous lower high, it was what? It was broken. Now we have formed a what? We have formed a new high there. So now what are we going to be looking for? We are going to be looking for a new higher low so that we can buy what? The DXY. So meaning we're going to be basically looking to buy the dollar, any pair that starts with the dollar, and actually sell any pair that ends with the dollar. So now, as you already know, the best part is here, understanding your Fibonacci. You already know that I trade using a Fibonacci. So now what we're going to do is plot our Fibonacci. Remember, the first thing you check once you open your chart, it's market structure, so that you can properly place your Fibonacci. So now we do what? We start with our what? We start with our recent low there and our high, and it's telling us that, okay, the market will do what? Will eventually come to this point before actually continue to go to the upside to create a new high there. So this is what the Fibonacci is saying. This is what the Fibonacci is saying. And if you can check the accuracy of a Fibonacci, it will give you all the what? All the support and resistance on that level. So 50% it's a support or resistance, 61.8 level it's a support or resistance. So let me just mark this point of this negative 61, so that I can show you guys that, okay, we are dealing with support and resistance here, but we don't do what? We don't plot them when we analyze. We just know that, okay, at this level we are having a significant level whereby the market can do what? Can potentially reverse. Can potentially reverse. So now, as you can see, now we have analyzed. You don't need to put a lot of support and resistance. You actually do what? Look at your market structure. After market structure, you identify your lower lows and lower highs, higher highs and higher low. After identifying those higher highs and higher lows, then you do what? You plot your Fibonacci, then you just wait. It's a waiting game. So now we're going to check our first pair. Remember, it's correlation what we are doing. What is happening on the DXY will happen on Euro USD by the opposite side. So meaning now the DXY, it's negatively correlating with what? With Euro USD because of where the dollar is being placed. So you can see this thing, it's a clear picture perfect pattern of the market. You can see what is happening here. It's happening here on on the DXY. So now again, you identify your what? You identify your levels. Okay, I'm just going to start here. It's my what? It's my recent high, lower high to my lower low there that was created. Then now you can see that no, I'm having something of which is what? Of which is like this. Same thing that is happening on the DXY, it's happening here. So meaning now I'm expecting price to do what? To push at least to the upside before actually moving back down. Ne? We're having something like that. This is the best ever strategy on how to analyze. You don't need a lot of things. You just need to focus on what? On your Fibonacci and understand what you are doing. Let's check GBPUSD. GBPUSD, it's doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing. I can just try and analyze differently here. You can see the area was the trend, or the line, it was broken as we anticipated a third touch there. But here, if you can check correctly, we are having a what? A head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, confirming that we have to go to the downside. So now, where do we start our Fibonacci? We can start our Fibonacci here to there, and we are having something of which is similar to all of the pairs that we've been analyzing. So you can see, as long as you know what you are doing and you choose proper currency pairs that you are going to be using, it's gonna be working for you. Ne? So now again, we're moving again to another pair. What's gonna happen now? We said what? We're looking for buying opportunities. Now we're doing what? We're having something of which it's like this. We start our Fibonacci from where? From here to there. So meaning now we are waiting for the price to actually come where? To come to our 50 and 61.8 level before creating new highs there. You see, before creating new highs there. Or the market can decide to respect what? Can decide to respect 1, 2, 3 wave structure, meaning the first touch, second touch, third touch here being on our Fibonacci around this level before going to the upside. So you always have to make sure that you yourself have at least two possibilities or two potential outcomes that the market can do. Because if this particular setup that you have in your mind saying no, it's gonna happen, if it doesn't happen, then you will decide to do what? To actually follow the other one that might also do what? Go in your favor. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys the best or the simplest way to actually do what? To actually analyze. And as you can see on my top left, there's a dashboard there. I'm going to do a review based on that and see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have learned a lot from this, and I'm going to be dropping 3 videos this week, mainly based on analyzing technically and fundamentally, and the dashboard of my prop firm. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in today. Make sure you like and subscribe and share the videos. I want to see more views guys. I want to see a lot of subscribers. I want to touch lives. So make sure that you do what? Make sure that you send or share the videos with your friends in your Forex group chats, because this video can actually try can actually build a person in the Forex industry, mainly based on how to analyze, you see. So yeah guys, thank you for coming, for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Dango.